in the heart of a golden autumn forest, where the leaves painted the world in shades of fire and sun. A love story unfolded as timeless as the woods themselves. Our story is about to dare their love as deep and enduring as the ancient trees that watched over them. Our story is about to dare their love as deep and enduring as the ancient trees that watched over them. Pause. He was a magnificent stag, his antlers like a crown woven from the branches of the forest. She was a gentle doe, her eyes holding the soft, warm light of an autumn dawn. They met where the sun dappled through the canopy, turning the fallen leaves into a carpet of gold. They met where the sun dappled through the canopy, turning the fallen leaves into a carpet of gold. It wasn't a sudden spark, but a quiet, certain knowing. A shared glance across a misty meadow, a gentle nudge in the cool morning air. Their courtship was a dance of silent understanding, a language spoken not in words, but in presence. Pause. Day after day, they roamed their golden kingdom together. He would lead the way, his head held high, always watchful, his strength a silent promise of protection. She followed, her trust in him as steadfast as the northern star. They drank from the same crystal-clear streams, their reflections mingling on the water's surface. They rested side by side in hidden glades, his powerful form a warm shield against the crisp autumn breeze. Their love was a quiet melody in the grand symphony of the forest. The other creatures of the woods saw it. The wise old owl, perched on a high branch, would blink slowly, acknowledging a love that was pure and true. The playful squirrels would chatter from the treetops, their antics a joyful celebration of the couple's bond. Even the wind seemed to whisper their tale through the rustling leaves, a story of devotion and a promise of forever. Pause. As the seasons turned and years passed, their bond only deepened. Their love wasn't just for the sunlit days of autumn. It was a promise to weather every winter storm, to find every hidden spring. They faced the challenges of the wild as one, their loyalty an unbreakable thread woven into the fabric of their lives. He was her strength, and she was his peace. Pause. This is the story of a faithful, lifelong love. A fairy tale written not in a book, but on the heart of the forest. A love that teaches us that the most profound connections are often the quietest, built on trust, loyalty, and a shared journey. It's a reminder that true love isn't about grand gestures, but about the simple, unwavering presence of another soul walking beside you through every season of life. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the heart of the woods. If this story touched you, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tales from the natural world. See you next time.